Is it worth using apps like vidIQ?
Yes. Now, no tool is a silver bullet. You could do everything that the vidIQ app tells you to do, full stop. You could get a perfect score, but that doesn't guarantee that it goes viral. It just means that you've done the groundwork for it to do what it needs to do. It's just like making sure that the soil's the right thing, the feed's the right thing, that you're watering your plant correctly. That plant just might not grow. It might take time. It might need time to get used to its surroundings, or it might be too competitive. There may be too many trees crowding that floor. And that's the same with any form of keyword management tool. Now, vidIQ does make it easier to tick as many boxes as possible, or for you to be educated about the choices that you are doing. I personally know that due to the climate that I'm in now, and me switching from another company to vidIQ, I now exclusively use the vidIQ tool, and I've gone from 10, 11,000 subscribers to 24,000 subscribers. I know that once you learn a tool, it's helpful, but it is a toolbox. Yeah. Some people will always need a mallet. Some people will always need the screwdriver. Maybe you need a drill, and you use them for the specific task you are using. You can't just throw the toolbox at a flat pack furniture and go, boom. Oh, it's done. That's not how it works. vidIQ is fantastic at data-based work. So you have a look at your keywords, you have a look at how it's recommended based on the keyword volume and the competition, but taking individual things out, like I really love the thumbnail preview tool, in which you're able to compare your thumbnail against other people in your niche.
That's what I've used a lot recently, especially after our last chat, is the thumbnail, because it's available on the free version, so you can have a look. And yeah, absolutely.
Well, that's it. It gives you a chance to compare. If you're uploading identical-ish versions of your thumbnail to all of your rivals, how are you going to stand out? A thumbnail is supposed to help you stop them scrolling, and 2, make them click. So if all of your thumbnails are the same as everybody else's, and you're stood on the left-hand side and there's the same font and it's all blue, then maybe this tool will tell you that maybe if you just used red or yellow, you're so different that people will click on you specifically. These tools out of the toolkit, individual things will help you with individual things. Whether, in my case, as I've got bigger, I'm now tracking my competitors to see what trends they are talking about, what things that I could jump in on or make better videos on that are related to. Whereas if you're a smaller YouTuber looking to learn the basics, then it will teach you need a good end screen, you need a good thumbnail, you have a look at your tags, you need to learn how to write your description. It will suggest the keywords that you might want to put in your title, and it's only going to get more powerful over time as well. It needs to help you evolve, and so will the tool with time as well.
Now, if you liked this, why not click here for the full interview, or check out the playlist here for mini clips that will blow your mind.